Mame ma akwaba emfa umbra Ghana nsem TV GH so wo frɛ me adwowa searching.
Mene kwato ye mpanifo no mu se ha na ye wo no. Enye se ye tumi kasante ye okay o. Ye brepa ye nye okay sa. Even though NPP cover power na ye power mpo no mu ma ye fili. Na ye power na ba power no. E na mu ma ye bresa. E di se ma ma fi se bi Ashiaman ha no. Omu ye nyoma okay man a. Okay bia ni ko we ho man. Because election time na ko we ho. E ha na e won na time so ye fa bus. Ye de kwato aba. E di so mu ma fi se bi Ashiaman ha no. Okay a di na ya ye na pese be kasa enti mesre penifo no mo wo aro no omo se youth na wa no ye bre omo support ye kakra na tumi ye business me de kakra me wo no
wo gene kakra udo party, nothing wrong with it, but to party nkwasi asementi ni pe ko wu. Come on, be bold, be bold and talk about it. Don't be a fool, don't be a silly party donkey. Because if you don't fight it back, they are going to do it the same tomorrow. And people will come and do the same. See, people will come and do the same. No problem, no, the problem hasn't been solved, and you are dying. You are dying. You are dying. But you still don't see it. What are we gaining with this stupid politics we do? What are we really gaining from it? A position to acquire government lands, to grab government properties, to make yourself rich. That is all this is about. It is not about how Ghana will move from here to here. It is all politics. For you people, whatever you see is politics. Immensia. Emana ewo. Nema oman egru no. Ye queen amunamuno. Bear in mind. En krofo we ba bemu anche. Ena boko nipa 300. Boko ntokwe ya. Ishie mojegu ya. IGP se wo kohwa ye tu ono ankasa IGP no. Ye tu ni ke mutio. Okay? Ye hunye jese ye ntumi kura ntete ye hu anwie wo boko no mu. Yes nipa maku 16 na ye nkoda a wo mo wo dache from Savior Church. Ekonya accident ma ye siom in a mass grave. The same government. The government didn't comment about it. The government didn't say anything about these 16 children. As a matter of fact, the vice president of Ghana currently, Eyoba Utuyenufo, Oyamame Owoma, Yenomninufu anontu onimdiete, and kwade 16 ewu, or send the office and say, Yawa gender minister, Ewo memu, na onte. To the point say kwesi prat ba ama prat. Ebe blow yen Ghana for shit say why the vice president I cannot be everywhere. So people have to see it and report to them. Oh really? In Code 16. From Savior Church, I didn't know him say Savior Church and NDC for sorry. So she do amu se to abakra na okodi opako baby a Savior Church kona ko NDC for ne winning. But they didn't see anything good about them. Ye din kwada igu asase ase a ye nya kura nsum wie ye. Yes nipa nwotwe. Eba ne say na nipa nwotwe wu ye. Enkwase asem a wo mu ye bia. Oda so te ho. Edwin said this is a joke. Ghana ni e kwan a nipa nwotwe ni wu ye. Sa kwan na ye ma nsian ekowuo. NDC NPP nti O bet na ha be cover be defend it. Ube defend it. Because you near bed nim. O papa nim. O sisters nim. O mama nim. Inti how. O huni pen nim inti how. Anka wo huni pa wo mu a. Anka wo huni pa e wo mu a. Umejina me page asin ni matem cause bo so there be menya NPP ni de Felix kra me penasem Felix de no huye me hia ma nanso asem we ya Felix kan de anu me no kre na moma ye nhwe ho asem nka da bi ga ne ni musa me tan no me penasem nti de o kan ye no kre but on fuck off nti sa me fuck off na me fuck off no be koso awu enipa nwotwe akowu a yese ye kwa kolonche galamsey foforo because community mining na ye dey by ti o this the logical NDC for say community mining na ye dey by no sabio NPP for nkwa na e dey ye adwuma etu omo so omo koye responsible community mining na ebra ebosuo esie kusukuku esiwie mu ensese plane etuo ensese helicopter etuo ya sweni pan wotwe akugum se wo munko. And you know how stupid they are. Mama make us say about NDC people. They are so foolish say asemwa bana ye kano na say you sabi Akufo-Addo so time enipa miense wuye ena endra enkola mienu bi Akufo-Addo kromu wa no muko wuye no so ene omo so muko wuye ne asemwa ba wo na me papa wutie me ne asemwa ba enipa ewuo enkrofo nso no gugem enipa enso no gugem no yesi yemfa maye politics now Mo Akufo-Addo time the amount of fabrications omo ye the Chiman South yesi nipa nwotwe ne wuye so padoza mokai ana ede atachima north and south ebu baako if nipa baako pe na omusie ya ye hu ye enka fo no de omo yira omufunu no yira somebody just said gosh Lunyan Kojo I was about to insult you but I will not insult you but I would rather ask you, say, do you believe in doing things without politics? Because when something happened in 2020, they said the Akufo-Addo nedi tuya shen krofo nsa ako boom to the aje power. And then on the politics. Mo ni mo nyansa. They be a make say NDC as a political party won't ni mo nyansa. They are a bunch of deplorables. Or the battery ni shame must start ya now the nyoma shomano. Free education 419. Free education 419. School be ya them why ma. One man go NDC for my school no mama. Onipa na no jina free education 419. Ya the battery ni shame mu okọ jimi wie ye no. We ya no okoto trunk or the nebe ko free education. That is why I said they are demonic. They don't care what they destroy so long as power finds them, everything is normal. They don't care. These people don't care. They don't give a hoot. Let's stop covering them like some big good people. No, they are not. Because Sebion Prediasa, program aya launch ne dada me ya ban for from aba kwan a ye fa so ye no no me gidi se me NDC de me gidi se yes samu kakra eye. It can be done at the district levels. Instead, yes, you modra. Because I need an envelope, beko baby. Nana be benya ne de kakra tenaso. Or him be beje kakra. Assemblyman be didi. You be kumponche. Your mahame you be didi intino. And pendifoni didi a kakra be kase. And nunti yanko bodra. Ame nipa wotwe ko weja wo mo yere ne wo mo maho. Enu hu sukura yinsun wie. Sesu no yinsun wie. Chatroyen chema to Ghana sankrofo we baso. Yan fa politics enton chen. Na yan hwe dia ekoso.
Say na munyan. Abaye say no ma ekoso Ghana na. Say okusi bede. O samesa. Wo wan to mare ozo ani agi mato dia o. Me kwa na ba ye me bre dabi. Me kwa na ba ye ha me dabi. Ye nyina se atim. Eye hwenyansa. Ye nkotie sa abranten biom.
She said, "Crown is NPP for the parliament." She and so maybe you matter here Supreme Court Chief Justice Penny to mention about parliament so better.
But don't you think that the concerns from the minority
only concerns
because last Friday no more person move motion be nanka mo hot the vet
and fire na am
and speaker really
and I'm
dismiss
and I'm so omagia tum ompekra boycott mo ma BBNC
as what's MP for here I don't mind
yes omu me
afenyo markings me who say they were in the parliament no person advancing the argument nko for who say
advance there
he has a case
obi any case let them feel it you see my catch or say sometimes so who kontokwa let the other person feel it and tokwa because sometimes one-sided in tokwanemwa edrum rebi ye kan wasem catch mu say aban sesa masobeshi munya yo emre mi ka say e de mu ye doma ha mo nya nipa edrum bi ye ka say MPP the way mu si de mra ye ka bibia mu ntie go to court okay emre bi go to court we yeah go to court de mu ye nya go to court na go to court no me go to court ni bi hwe sometimes obi bo wasoma boni bi yes
retaliation
there be and here the Jesus Christ kind Baba mosaic law na eye adwuma
of choose no bonus
yes
okay
what do I say
yeah
one day Israel for year Israel for ko kan Iran and Iran for so ko kan omo and afi obi aye steady sometimes it works that way
okay
and MPP must feel the heat.
What do you make of the conduct of minority leaders?
They are doing perfectly bad.
No, minorities are
they are not or perfectly bad
because and then me monitor there no. Not commenting a man for say he's becoming too emotional.
I dragging or person dragging or unnecessarily. I think you can get annoying. I say ya adwen say ye be hwenyomo mu ye ni nyina no a part of their strategy but see Ghanaians are more matured and the MPP for ntiase no
e bia Ghana for MPP for pere omo ye
oh MPP for ye say okrom ha
4 million omo ta ba no munya 4 million
na we nsu nya say
4 million na ego bia woni
and na say 4 million ben and as we speak NDC e wo soro chen wo MPP yes and yes so much more o ma gap
1.7 million.
Into kopen we he. Chichema mu 1.7 Ghana for 1.7. Ah mu de chire no. Ah mu decide ye no. Ese de wu ye ni ye. Into problem ni say. Afenyo markings dey na no ye. Or dragi issue no. Obese yete nka. De wu ken. E na dachi ube ye bi no. Now dachi no we bata me. Che say kwa me say MPP ah mu decide ye no. Ese de wu ye ni ye. Into
mote Afeso biati. Oh, the different two videos, you know. First video or say MPP for bettenas abamuno. Ye bomb subo say omonchichi NDC for omokaya ubiati wom. Enra or say omon feel hitting because MPP for panashi NDC 40 and what say dio mani omoyomosa. She say the kasa on kasa as a Tini you on Casa as a journalist, Okasa as a NDC communicator. Feeling hit, you know. I feel no matter the way now. I sense and you. Minimum sense and they say what it. The ever pameka, the end beka. It would and wouldn't we neutral, wouldn't feel. Baby teach ma no me ate. Baby ko ya no me ate. Obi a party or don de nanso ye nyi enwani ma wo say party be ne adwon. De enim no. Obi enim say e kan sentra dwuma wo ba ha. Obi a wo party so ma no. Ba e din so bo so bi ti radio TV so ah. Now all kese sensem we. Enra o si ND before. And you catch some common be o man ye. And now or see NPP for the NDC for neon bonnet. H you won't be court, a punish you, and punish you, which is which. So, the security money by ye. To what this I could champagne wechi, Uncle Twaba. Would did Jimmy for wechi, and now the same person as answered back. I'm a beam. I be accused of time about me. I say, I'm blowing empty. One no free in the party no ever be try NPP for party candidate ya yes say yan fa namra adma oye afei mu am say onye relevant yenya no influencer okwan ya wodi nkrofo fa so na anu atwam ene okwan ya wasa fa offer so ne ene ye won nkrofo omodwini mu ha to the stand say onye tie radio no the kwase we can be and wafa atuntim. I can't go to the delegate. The majority of them are matured enough. It is everybody we say no. I'm going to mean falling more, but young boys so more. And I say people when you cross not be able. Party. And that was MPP who in a he. I sense a journey to make the radio say. NPP who ye me he. Ye wo party akese mi na wo man nu. Na we yensen zoni. Na wo si party no we here. E dia di na office MPP be ye. Asa ni pay. Just imagine. Oh. Network in the acting. And the bayrin network in the bayrin.
I did my idea, Mahama. One fine year NPP, who opposition. The papa, you want to say, friend and now do, Achim Sakawa, Achim Mafia. Who Mahama send you would see you, and yet Jimmy for begun of 1 hour to a more. One more summer will say in Apple. Who thinks you know a touchy. When you eat now, and touchy. Adaptation fee. Would mean no. To me, F.O.B. Achim Mafia. What you mean, yes, you come out, brother, and Ibrahim Muhammad Krasimina, one friend in my fitano. And to me, Coco, Echo Pop Kevin Teller, Pa, so Dim Crofwaten. On Dim Crofwaten. Now, if I live in Tias or 2 for sure, Mahama, so make Tias.
Me jam Jana Nakrano. Jam Jana Nano, me jam Jana Nano.
Mahama, yeah, what's up, Papa, me,
you know. Me like this time.
What did you know? At the time, Ben woman can be tell a question in our
yes. I see Chauti, Nana, I see Chauti.
Yes. Men Shakunya toilet was a being the one who can be tell a penny, Jimmy 4 boy. Mahama Kopane Pass, the movie must have fresh lecture. Hey, I may be one in the
Messi, sometimes so.
Lily, Obaya wanted the
only maybe air yaw. When you be Samakus, I dear you know Santa Foy and air yaw. Mamika say Mincho. Say Obi Betakia Santa Foy. Yeah, come for Nina, ya betai on my cheek. They are fighting those people. Now, Wakwama na ewie na odwen sanka baby ade na gina ne de anko no so beto so ayesa no not say they go and let down their guards. Munche the fact say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ebra na mo oboasi gold say ohempon na ene de otumi ne kotena osre ne bepa ne cha se miwura mame ye sojafo kakra na memfa nko bomba chabe ejapade hu ban. Mahama refuse you na notumfo. Mahama refused you. Also on to me Magana and yes South Africa. One o catch ye nana. Bibia ye di jan wo. Ashanti region. When we 1 year hospitals 1 year when we ama na do baby a wo and na ye do to radio so TV so e didi watem say wo na wa makumasi aye tan wo na wa makumasi asay wo na wa makumasi aye say yetumi nyankrofo mu anim ko sa ben wo twenkwan etumi ba betena kola bia friend is King David o so yin David o se den etumi be gina di papa we yatem
highly emotional and sentimental issue.
No, I mean, like, I don't get it. I'm like, Marcus, I get sad. I don't get it.
Because it will provoke people to make certain comments or the
okay, well, anyway, so they, I mean, if that is what they want, there, I mean, leave them alone. To the point, say, I do baby confirm not hospital crano near the boat to the point, say, or him has to come outside and raise his own funds. Now you have to raise your own funds. And the same person comes today, and that person is rather your beautiful president. Hey, Charlie, I was for maybe you. Anyways, this is a little to us uncle. Because me like the omo ya because eba na sa na ama yen ya ye be gina omo echi kun ye no sabi asa enkwasi antokwa na ya ko adi ase sabi sometimes you say